flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 6:15 p.m. PDT. At 3:06 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.75 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Victorville, Apple Valley, I-15 between Victorville and Barstow, Northern Lucerne Valley, Highway 247 between Lucerne Valley and Barstow and Hillendale. Flood and